It is so beautiful. And the river. And this sign is right next to Solleftea. I can take you there. And yeah, I've put benches here. It wasn't like that during winter. And this bench. And it is a little parking lot that you can be around. Really, really beautiful today. Okay, let's drive to Solleftea. Not that it's not right here, but I still need to drive it. So. There's one more sign, Solleftea. I didn't know there's one more sign. What? So, I came to Solleftea, you know, to film it, and I'm turning back to film to show you here what is the top of Solleftea, basically above Solleftea. And see, titta! There's another Solleftea sign. I didn't know they have more than one. I thought there's just the one. I mean, that's so cool. And I'm going up to it, a little hike on the mountain. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, here we go. B-rows of the Solleftea sign above Solleftea. I think this is the sign. Is it the same that was at Jonna's place? Basically, I was looking for the sign that was at the opening of Jonna Ginton. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. A little bit above Alstaberget. So nice. And this is the ski lift that takes you all the way up. And this is the Solleftea sign. I don't know how to... The other one works better. Yeah, nah, it doesn't work. Going back down. I probably should go and do the picture of the other Solleftea sign. Because why not? I forgot. But titta, it's such a nice camping spot out here. There's like a grill place. And this is the other lift, I think. Do we have two lifts? This is the bigger one. And down here, I can probably go and show you. Down here, there is... Oh, titta! Oh, so nice. There is... Yeah. The part of the ski slope goes all the way down, and there is a jacuzzi and like part of the spa down there. That is very nice. And in the winter you can see all the lifters and skiers go down the slope. And when I was here, I was in the jacuzzi and then row in the snow in the bana on the ski slope, and then row in the jacuzzi, go in the slope. And yeah, it's really nice, really beautiful here. Like the whole area, the whole idea that Solleftea is on the top of the ski lifts is really cool. Anyway, I think that was it for now and for today. I will make some more B-rolls of the hotel, and I will see you next time. It says Solleftea Arena. Yeah, nice. It'll be so cool if I can go at the bottom of it on the other side, but maybe it's just accessible with a drone. Maybe we'll see.